Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now, this is a foundry pattern. Looks like connecting rod. This is kind of cool. Brass over copper bucket. Oh, and this is an apothecary cabinet.
Your channel, so they've got some. Is there another area where you have tools?
There's tools here. There's stuff in those cabinets there. There's this cabinet here's got a bunch of tools.
All right.
Actually, I was just here about a month ago.
Oh, were you? Oh, well, how'd you get here without me?
I came up to buy a little John Deere tractor.
All right. Okay, so you got the lay of the land now.
I'm not going to make a trip to Hastings without looking at everything.
Where are you folks from?
Richland.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let you know the phone rings. I got the phone. Okay. That's a lovely glass. Word of happiness there.
Yeah.
And I love this
Duck.
duck.
Goose.
Goose. I don't know what it is, but it's really pretty. Really pretty. I don't see any breaking or anything, but then I think it's locked because I tried to open it. But I like that, and
Want me to ask?
yeah, we could ask for a key. I'm
These old tube radios generally only have bad tubes. If there's anything wrong with them, it's in the tubes, because the rest of it's just hardware. Cool thing is, you can still get tubes.
the person that doesn't have one. But what's the green down there?
I don't know. I'd have to get down there to read it.
Green glass stacking bowls. They're bowls. They're stacking. I knew it was more than one piece of glass. So I don't know. This is pretty, and they could put a little bit bigger candle in it.
How much did you say it was?
$34.99.
Do you really like it? Because you could buy one on eBay for that much.
Okay, I'll put it back. I'll let you put it back. I forgot where it went. I really wanted it to be faceted like this, and I wanted it to be colored. Yeah. like these.
And there's some that's got like a little pedestal on them,
Yeah.
and they come up too.
I've seen them with the top holding.
Yeah. 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 Yeah, there's some pretty.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.